How to recall message in Outlook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recall mails in Outlook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Outlook. Go to outlook.com and log in into your account. After you do that, what you'll need to do is on the left hand side, you'll find the sent items. Tap on sent items. Now, locate the email that you want to recall. Double tap on it to open it in a separate window. So it opens up like this. So let me just expand this. So it can be like this interface, or it can be looking something like this. So head over to Classic Ribbon. So it's easier for you to see. Now, recalling mails only work if you guys, that is you, the sender, and the recipient have the account in the same work or organization. That is, you need to have the same Microsoft 365 account under same organization, that is your school or work email. So if that's the case, you'll find a recall message here. Now, since I don't have anyone like that, I cannot actually recall message. But if you are, if you're sending it to a work friend or to your friend in college using the same organization's email, you can find a recall message somewhere around here. And all you now need to do is tap on the recall message button to just recall your mail. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.